Vtech Cordless telephone versus Vtech Cordless digital answering system. What is the difference? Welcome to Homemaking Made Simple for Modern Women. In today's video, we are going to take a look at Vtech Cordless telephone versus Vtech Cordless digital answering system. And let's take a look right now. So I was trying to replace my home phone with a new phone, and I was looking and I don't know exactly what it is, but after doing a few researches, I came across the Vtech, and this is the cordless digital answering machine, and I think it's cool, so I bought it. Then I saw this as well, and then I just thought of what is the difference between the digital answering system and then also the cordless telephone. So what is the difference between them, and we can compare and see which one will be beneficial for you if you are interested in buying the Vtech phone. So let's take a quick look and see what it looks like. So we're just gonna take these out. So we do have a manual that comes with it. It looks like the same thing as the one that I bought, the cordless digital answering. This is the charger that comes with it. Okay, and then in here we have the battery and the cover, and then here we have the phone. So this is the actual phone, the Vtech. This is where the battery goes, and let's see what else comes with. All right, so we have the base that comes in. This is where you're gonna plug in your telephone to connect, and then this is, you can mount this as well, and this is just a single, this is just the manual that comes with it. So this is the diagram that will show you how to put everything together, and then you have the models that this is. So this is the 6.0 cordless telephone, and this is the Vtech telephone. So you have how to put it all out here, the instructions, step-by-step images that shows you how to do it. And let's put that together quickly. Okay, so we have the back here where the battery goes, and this is the battery and the cover. So all you have to do is insert this in here, all right, and then you put in battery. So that's how you set up the battery in there. You can just take this out. And so I'm looking to see what is the difference between the Vtech cordless telephone versus the Vtech cordless digital answering system. Okay, so receive a phone call and make a phone call. So with the cordless telephone, there are some features that you can only use, and then on the answering system there is more features that you can use. So those are the differences I see. When you take a look on the cordless telephone, this is a D6.0 digital telephone, caller ID, call waiting, store 30 calls, and backlit keys and display 30 name and numbers, phone book directory. You have voicemail waiting indicator, you have icon and text message on the handset, silently alert you when you have a message. Also you have last 5 minutes redial. You have trilingual prompt, choose between English, Spanish or French, and then it's easy to use standard wall mount capability. So you can mount this on a wall, or you can just have it as use it on a desktop like this. So this is how this looks like, and then you have all the accessories that comes with it that you can use, the battery and all that. For this one, the difference in the cordless digital answering system is you have so much more feature, and this is also DECT 6.0 digital. It's a caller ID, call waiting, 30 calls, just the same as this one. The digital system looks like, so you can see this one is the digital answering system. And so with these, you have caller ID, call waiting, stores 30 calls just like this one. This one also stores 30 calls. You have digital answering system. So this one have a digital answering system, and so this one does not have, and this one has a digital answering system. And then also it has 14 minutes of recording time, and this one does not have 14 minutes of recording time, which is this one, but the answering system has. And also you have backlit keypad and display, the same thing. This one has the same thing as well. You have 30 names and a number, phone book directory, which is the answering system. And then this one has voice waiting indicator icon. That is the difference for this. It has 14 minutes of recording time, which is for the answering, and this does not have. I don't see that on here. And also these have backlit keypad and display. This one one also has the same 30 name and number phone book directory, which is for the answering, and the same thing as this one as well, the cordless telephone. And then it has last 5 minutes number redial, same thing as this one. Also have trilingual prompt to choose between English, Spanish and French, the same thing as this well also have. And also with the answering system, it also has the charger, it has the phone cable that comes with it, and then the battery also that comes with it, and then the cover. So everything is the same, almost the same. The battery, everything comes with it, but then the digital answering system have more features where you can record your calls for 14 minutes, which this one doesn't have. This one you can display, see your calls, you can play the calls, you skip them, you can delete them. The volume adjustment, this also have the same, the volume adjustment also on here. To me, this is more beneficial have, as you can see who calls you and all that with this as well. So if any of this is something that you are looking for, one of these are good for you to replace your home phone with. I went for the digital answering system Vtech phone because I thought that this is just good for me to have every features that I want, to be able to have a 40-minute recording time, which I don't have on this one, and the price is just something little difference between them. And so I would rather go for the answering system one. That will be benefit for me. I'll get more features. Also, you can mount this as well, the same thing as this. So why don't you just go for something that will give you more mind? That's just my thinking. So that's the difference, as you can see. And now to set this up, if this is what you are looking for, to set all the battery and everything up, I do have a video tutorial on how to set it up and how to put in your batteries, how to connect this to your conventional telephone line jack to be able to set this up yourself. I just took you through a little steps to see the Vtech cordless telephone versus the Vtech cordless digital answering system, and we see the differences that are between them and which one will be beneficial for you if you are thinking of what can you replace your home telephone with. And so this is my recommendation. I'm using the answering system because I think that is more beneficial for me, where I have more features that I can use instead of going for just the cordless telephone. So I hope this video helps in some way. Subscribe to the channel, like it and share. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and make sure to watch that video next that walks you through step by step how to set up your Vtech telephone. So I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.